Thank you very much. I'm really happy to be with you today, and buongiorno a tutti. This is only what I could say in Italian. Sorry, I do not speak so much Italian, or a bit more French, as it is my mother tongue. And I'm really grateful and thankful to Res Pharma to organize this webinar and be with you today, and also have you to look at conscious beauty, the future of skincare. We will have a deep dive into conscious consumption, and then what could be the solution to address such a trend. In particular, we will see first the consumer behaviors, their developing evolution. We will see the global drivers strongly influencing consumers and conscious consumption. We will see in beauty, what does it mean, and as well the DSM solution. So we have three parts in this agenda. First, we look at the top global consumer trends and beauty. This is some idea we get from Euromonitor, but also this is by observation. The main big trends, it's of course beyond human, artificial intelligence and big data. We see also that the homes are now multifunctional. Due to COVID-19, of course, we are spending more time at home. We see also that the mobility is changing. We are a bit constrained in our mobility. We cannot go everywhere at any time. And also we have to be cautious. And then we see also that in this context of anxiety with COVID-19, we need to care more about ourselves. So this is minding myself. While looking at the urgency about environment protection, we will see how this is strongly influencing our life, and also the need for a beauty more eco-conscious. Looking at artificial intelligence and big data, so this is the era for beauty, about augmented beauty, personalized beauty as well, collecting more data of the consumers, so we can have more bespoke offer to them. It's about also monitoring to say what is now, but also how beauty or our own beauty is evolving thanks to a beauty treatment, and of course this is online beauty, because now we are also maybe shopping more online, and as well people will look for services to be advised, and then we need to find a way to reach those consumers that cannot go to shops or beauty salon. So that's quite important. When we look at multifunctional homes, we see there is more time to care at home, and the need to care about ourselves, about our mental health that is a bit affected by this surrounding anxiety. Whatever we could be very optimistic, and we need to be optimistic, but there is an anxiety there, and we need to care. And beauty products are really great. It's a great moment, a me time for people to care about themselves and to pamper themselves. We see being at home, we can do more do-it-yourself product, and also people will look for more multifunctionality. That means a product doing more than only one task. This is a bit in line with the simplification of the routine. While being at home, then we are more exposed to digital pollution, and anyway, more and more, even working due to electronic devices, artificial light that provide or emit a lot of blue light that is damaging for the skin, and that we know. We will see that later. And then we see also the emergence of makeup new habits. People being at home and being online, then they are not using the same makeup or the same way, and also using more mask, for example. Then maybe the lipstick is less used than before, or we need to find a way that the lipstick don't stain or don't stay on the mask. And then there's more maybe the emergence of the mascaras, of course, while being masked, how you can express yourself, maybe more by the eyes, and then eye care has a lot of importance. We see also in this new mobility, so the emergence of on-the-go hygiene product, and people wanting to protect themselves. So this is really the rise of soap, of hydroalcoholic gel, and there is a room to do a product that are not only basic but also a bit how to say give some other benefits for the consumer. While the mask being the new norm, we see that skin hydration can be affected, and as well we see more people with acne and what we call now the maskne coming from wearing the mask. So then we need to find also a proposed solution to the consumers facing those new issues with their skin. We see as well, when we speak about the microbiome protection, the first idea is we want to kill the microbe, we want to kill the viruses, and nevertheless, on the skin, we know that we need to have an equilibrium among all among the skin flora that habits our skin. And we see as well more a return to what we call sovereignty, or more local product, either the ingredient or also product being made locally. And this is also due to the restriction of traveling around and the exchanges with the different parts of the world. So this word of local is also of great importance now, and will be even more. Minding myself, then it's all about wellness. And then beauty product can play a big role in helping people to go or to be even better in their mental health. And we speak a lot about the stress around this, the surrounding stress, but also the stress that happens on the skin. And for that, we need to rebalance this stress. And we'll see how we can do that. And then conscious beauty is there. First, it's the emergence of minding about ourselves, be conscious about the product that we use, have an impact on our skin, and then we see that it goes even further in align with environment urgency. Looking at what we call the eco-conscious beauty, because we are more conscious about our health, but also conscious about how products are made, from where they come, and how they end in the trash bin or not, because maybe people want, in this eco-conscious beauty trend, having product that can be recycled, and packaging are the first in front line, we can say. Then we see the simplified routine maybe with multifunctionality, but also with this environment urgency. Why multiplying numbers of products when one could do the job, but as well adding, for example, some touch of personalization in smaller packaging, in small ampoules, that could be also a great help. And then we see also a product with less water, even waterless, and the absolute need for reuse and refill product. So this is about the trends, the top global trends, and how beauty is translated. And there is no doubt that COVID-19 had a strong impact, especially on how essential the products are to the consumers. There is a scale that is quite interesting, and we saw how COVID-19 had a strong negative impact on what we call the can-wet products, like fragrances, even some of the makeup. While the more we go on the positive impact, we see in particular that rescue categories were really the winners, like hand sanitizer, liquid soap, and so on. And we see then that the people are even more conscious, so conscious because of an urgency of a different reason. And as well, we see the really importance of caring about the emotion of people, because we need self-care. We need self-care, but also we need to care about the emotion of others, not only for ourselves, but as well for also for the community. When we look now even a bit further to the beauty trends, this is the way DSM is envisioning the beauty trends under 5 main axes, like beauty diversity, healthy beauty, fast beauty, mindful beauty, and good beauty. I will not detail all because you see that there are also sub-trends inside, and each of those sub-trends could be the object of a presentation. We have really a lot of insight about all those trends and sub-trends in beauty. And conscious beauty that you see on the right is falling in what we call the good beauty. Good beauty is really this emergence of a bit of balance between consumers more aware because they want to have access to the information, and they get more information, especially with the emergence of the technology. Now with the new application, scruting the inky names, and also all the communities and the social network, that is a great exchange and a great places for people, but also great places to be more aware. And then this is where conscious beauty emerge. So and COVID-19 even accelerated. We see some of the sub-trends, and in particular conscious beauty. So conscious beauty is about the consumers in charge. They are more conscious and aware. They want to know what is in the product, how it works. Is that really good for me? How does this fit to my personal values? And those words are very important. It brings together concerns about environment and ethic, about transparency. This is to be in charge of its own personal health. There are some hashtag words that we have added also that are very important. The values, the conscious, the worth buying, the knowledge, the transparency, and as well, less is more, as we just saw before. We see now how the global drivers are influencing these consumers. And in particular, this is really the emerging generations that are a bit shaking the world. In particular, Greta Thunberg is an activist, and she caused a big stir at the United Nations because she criticized the world leaders about the inaction on the climate change. And that is really important to consider, because this is also the evolution we see with the new or the younger generation. This is what we show here. The younger generation, they lead for a desire for brands to act responsible. And this is really important for the millennials and also the Gen Z. A little bit less in Gen X. Anyway, it's quite high. I try to buy products from brands that act responsible, even it means spending more. So it means they're ready to spend more if the products are in line with their values, their expectation about being responsible. So responsible about the health, responsible about the world and the environment. And for that, it's important to look at the United Global Goals. We call the Sustainability Development Goals. They are 17, and they were defined to align government and companies in order to make a real change. So there are 17, and at DSM, we have decided to focus on 5 key sustainable development goals. In particular, DSM is a company really involved into nutrition. So one of our really fight is how we can care about no hunger and reduce the hunger in the world. And as well, it is linked with good health. As you know, nutrition is really a strong pillar at DSM, so animal nutrition, human nutrition, and then all is related. And then what is important is to care also about how people are consuming. So this is about what we call the responsible consumption. And then looking at the environment, we care about using more renewable energy and have climate action. So we are aligned with those sustainable goals. And if we want to go even beyond, we have set up very important targets, such as reducing carbon footprint, which is also the key if we want to act on the climate. So we want to reduce by 30% our gas emission by 2030, and we strive to be carbon neutral by 2050. So that's a really important commitment that DSM have at corporate level. And then why all of that? We see also the society is changing, and also consumers are changing from buying the brands to buying into brands. We see we start with the industry society that was about satisfying a need, to the dream society, elevating individual, and then now the dream society, creative man society, about contributing to a higher good. So we move from rational benefit to emotional benefit, and now we are really going into the societal benefits. And this contributing to a higher good is really important, and the word good is really resonating. It's not only doing profit, but doing profit to be sustainable, but also doing for the good, for the planet, and for the people. And then we see also that consumers want more transparency. They are really expecting them, so they expect the brand to be responsible, and they expect the brand to be transparent. This is also a push that we see with all those applications on the smartphone or non-governmental NGO that are pointing ingredients, so speaking about the ingredients or formulation, and then consumers became suspicious. So consumers are really expecting we are transparent, and we can do that with a great and a good selection, of course, of ingredients, and the way also we formulate. And what is important is also how we communicate, because we know we are doing good things, but then we need also to communicate that to the consumers and to reassure them. And we have tools for that. We have more than tools. We have ingredient and we have solution. And we see as well that through the COVID-19 crisis, people, consumers, 45% of global consumers say they will make more sustainable choice. So sustainability is very important. Conscious, transparent, doing good. Those are key words that we need to keep in mind. Also translating from a great formula to the consumer marketing and communication. Then we see in beauty what means conscious beauty and in personal care, and what are the DSM solutions. We will see that we can look at the ingredients. So, for example, selecting a more natural ingredient. In those more natural ingredients, we have what we call the DSM House of Natural. This is a way to look at the range of DSM a bit differently. I will show you that later. And inside you have the Alpaflor, the power of organic bioactive. This is organic plants cultivated at high altitude that are truly fitting with conscious beauty. It's about transparency as well, so the Alpaflor philosophy fits fantastically, and also providing a new ingredient like Thilamar Pridio, 1.3 propandiol, Thilamar Pridio with Novista, that brings also this transparency and the need for more naturality. We see as well that the strong trend for the healthy habits of Clean Plus Care can be powered by a gentle ingredient and powerful ingredient like Pentavitin for long-lasting hydration. And we will see why later. The power of vitamin remains strong for health and beauty, in particular because consumers knows about the vitamin. A vitamin is an insurance of safety and as well of efficacy, and they have multiple benefits. While thinking about conscious beauty and caring about the environment, when we make sunscreen, it's really important to understand what is the impact on the environment, and our DSM Sunscreen Optimizer that is available online can help to also to show you the eco-profiling of the formula you would have selected. While it would be not complete if we didn't look at the microbiome beauty, that is more than an emerging trend now in link with healthy beauty, preventive beauty. And then to complete, we will look at the inner balance, the mindful beauty. This is here more how we can get back our balance. Could be about the skin, we will see that later, but as well thinking about ourselves, about our mental health, using great personal care product that can help us to pass this particular moment. So here is the different ways to ensure conscious beauty. We can look at the ingredient, we see the packaging, the production ways, and also the usage and how product can be disposable. When about the ingredient, it could be a vegan product, plant-based. You should avoid a controversial ingredient. It's always depending about customer, what is a controversial ingredient, and that we can discuss later in Q&A. We have a lot of insight, of course, about the safety of the ingredients we provide. We see also biodegradability is a topic, and the products that could be made from recycled material and waste. We look at the packaging as well. It could be biodegradable packaging, recycled packaging, or no packaging at all. And in the production, of course, no animal testing, which is a requirement, carbon neutral production, such as Bulldog Company now claiming this, and concentrated formula, less water to ensure less packaging and transport at the end. And then what is important is to look at the usage of the beauty product. So we should encourage, educate, stimulate consumers to be active towards sustainable consumption. For example, use refill products, or encourage them to bring back their packaging to the shops to collect them and recycle them. So that's also very important. This is conscious beauty. This is really the understanding at 360 about the product, so from the ingredient, from how is produced the ingredient to the final usage and disposal. So here I propose you the DSM House of Natural. We will not go in all details, but we have a selection of ingredients that are made of natural origin. And at DSM, it's a surprise maybe for you, but we have more than 45% of our portfolio that is of natural origin. And this natural origin is according to ISO 16028, a little bit adjusted because we have decided to push the natural origin level to 60% instead of 50%. And for example, we have not included in this DSM House Natural the peptide, even if they are constitute of water and glycerin and ppms, thousands of ppm of synthetic ingredient, which could fall into that definition. But the active material is synthetic. However, they are super active, and they can be a great choice even you decided to have more naturality in the formula. Even peptide can suit, but not in this DSM House of Naturals. So we have, maybe I go back, sorry, different ingredients like herbs, oil, marine, algae extract, yeast and fermentation, minerals, milk and silk derivative, and as well edible vegetables. We have different levels of certification. The first one is about certified organic under EcoCert Cosmos certification, and as well Natru. We have also the level of the verified natural under EcoCert Cosmos, but then they are anyway certified Natru. And then we have the natural origin. They are ingredients of natural origin under the ISO 16028, a new norm, with a natural origin score above 60%, as I just mentioned to you. So I will not detail all the product, but I will make a focus on the Alpaflor products. They are organic bioactive, so plants cultivated at high altitude in the Alps. Usually we have rare plants. We select the best plant for the greater efficacy, and we use, of course, sustainable and organic culture, and we protect the alpine biodiversity. We have to mention also, beside the Cosmos, China Natural, Halal certificate, that we have the Fair for Life certificate. It means we have a fair treatment, a fair business with the farmers of the cooperative with who we are doing the cultivation of our plants. So that's also this Fair for Life Fair Trade certificate is very important to consider also in Conscious Beauty, to be transparent. And we have new CB grades. So CB is more for clean beauty. We have seen an evolution from natural cosmetics to clean beauty cosmetics, where we want to have maybe more natural and avoid some particular ingredient, to conscious beauty. This is where we are now. And Alpaflor, Edelweiss, Alpsebum, and Scutellaria are now formulated without preservative. Anyway, before the preservative were conformed to Cosmos, but now we can even simplify the INCI by removing those preservatives, and it's quite interesting. Yes, Alpaflor, Edelweiss CB, Alpsebum CB, and Scutellaria CB. The philosophy of Alpaflor is really to be transparent, have a short, local, and fair supply chain from the botanist to the seeds, to the mountains, the production of the plant, and then to the production of the bioactive. It's fully traceable, and this is really important for the consumers also evolving in what we call the conscious beauty trend. You have a QR code. You can even do it with your phone. You will have a link. You will go to Alpaflor website, and then you will see that we can even propose you some testimony of the farmers to propose to the consumer to look at how are produced the plants and where are they produced. So that's quite interesting. In this way, we have the Alpaflor Edelweiss, also maybe in a nutshell, also to tell you a little bit about efficacy. This is a great ingredient, a super strong antioxidant. No doubt that those plants have to fight in a very hard environment because of the dehydration due to the wind, high altitude, lot of UVs. So they develop a strong antioxidant power, especially with leontopodic acid here in the case of Alpaflor Edelweiss CB. And we have seen that we can really help the skin to protect against the effect of pollution and to protect against the external stresses, because we reinforce the skin barrier so that sensitive skin will be protected thanks to Alpaflor Edelweiss. We have as well, thinking about conscious beauty, developed what we call the sustainability impact card. In a nutshell, at a glance, you can look at the environmental impact of the ingredient, and in particular the Alpaflor. You can look at the social impact, the traceability, and the identity. So you will have information about carbon footprint, biodegradability, water footprint, and on the social impact, how is the working condition, for example, how the community are developed, and then what is the positive impact on health and well-being. And for the identity, we put the logo, the naturality score, while about the traceability, this is how we ensure the supply chain control. So quite interesting. We are developing that step by step for more and more of our ingredients, and not only the natural ingredient, but as well UV filters and so on. I would like also to introduce you an eco-conscious 1.3 propandiol. you can boost your brand recognition by combining naturality, sustainability, conscious beauty, and high performance with Tilamar PDO with Novista. About the social impact, you have a Made in France product. We have contributed to the local economic redevelopment of an area that were touched by unemployment. It's an eco-design facility, and we have a renewable non-GMO palm oil feedstock to produce this ingredient. The efficacy, you will have a better moisturizer versus butane glycol, a better enhanced sensory performance versus butane glycol, and an increased preservative boosting tendency also versus butane glycol. And as well, we have investigated the skin microbiome friendliness, and we have proved it, and we have as well an odorless ingredient. So this product has a really bright future and fits perfectly for eco-conscious and conscious beauty formulation. Now we look at the healthy habits of Cleanse Plus Care. No doubt that we are washing, rinsing, repeating to wash the hands. It's about thinking about the COVID-19 and how we can prevent to get such a disease. So it's really important. And then what we have seen is that we need to add benefits to this routine to help people to fight against skin hydration. And for that, we have the we powered this Cleanse Plus Care topic with the Moisture Magnet Pentavitin. So what we propose you, a kit for the day and a kit for the night to protect a Nourish on-the-go skin rescue kit with a hand sanitizer, a cleansing mousse, and a hand rescue cream. And for the night, you have a body wash and a hand mask with Pentavitin, so to care about the dehydrated hand. And just in a nutshell, we look at how Pentavitin really fits in all the formulation, from the cleansing mousse in rinse off, from the hand sanitizer, so hydroalcoholic formulation, and as well in the hand rescue cream. So Pentavitin is also used and highlighted in the Wash Away the Day Deep Hydration Body Wash, and as well the Nighttime Restorative on Mask. What are the benefits of Pentavitin, and what is Pentavitin? This is a sugar-derived complex proven to fight the 5 vital signs of dehydrated skin. We will give consumers a perceivable improvement of hydration, flakiness, skin discomfort, smoothness, and appearance with 70 hours long-lasting and deep hydration. So this is the key. We have a product that is a moisture magnet. It will bind to the skin and it will not be washed away. So this is also the secret of the activity of Pentavitin. A product that is a natural, is mimicking the normal moisturizing factor, which is important if we want to keep an hydrated skin. We have then a new hand cream that so I don't detail it today, but you can ask the formula with Tilamar PDO with Novista that I just introduced before. So you increase your level of naturality in this formula. Apaflor Scutellaya, I will show you that a bit later, more to bring back comfort to the skin. We have Valvance Touch 210. This is a microsphere of silica for a faster absorption, and it offers a silky touch. And then Panthenol, of course, for hydration, and Stimutex AS, which is a nice blend to provide an effective relief to sensitive and irritated skin in a minute. So this one is a new formula compared to the one you just saw before. And here also I go a little bit deeper in Pentavitin. We have made a new test in skin for skin dryness after cleansing, and we see that there is no more dryness after cleansing. After just one use, we have an immediate reinforced skin barrier, we have a 24 hours long-lasting hydration, and the skin moves from dry to normal. It's very important. After frequent showering, we can reinforce the skin barrier, we have post-shower dryness prevention, and an optimum hydration. So you have seen that with Pentavitine is not only in leave-on, but it's also in rinse-off. And also to maybe to give you a bit the idea of dosage, in rinse-off, we can start to see a really good efficacy at 0.2%. 0.5% is also greater efficacy. So you see that the dosage is quite minimal, but this is a very effective ingredient. Now we see about the vitamins for health and beauty. When we look about the vitamins, of course, we think about the health, we think about the essential vitamins, and consumers are reassured about the vitamins. They know they are good for health, they can boost their defenses, and this is what we know. We know in particular that the key vitamins are, we say, the hero vitamins, the vitamin C, E, B3, and B5. And those vitamins will keep the skin defenses robust. We know also that consumers are associating vitamins to fruits, vegetable, and good health. So if you add vitamins in personal care formulation, you will also really give this kind of boost of efficacy image. And it's not only a marketing tool, this is also efficacy and multifunctional efficacies often. We see vitamin C that can energize the skin, vitamin E that can protect, vitamin C and vitamin E work well together. We see vitamin B3 or niacinamide to fight the stress, in particular protecting from UV, blue light, and pollution, and as well panthenol, really the acclaimed moisturizer, and that can also restore the skin. I need to highlight that when you translate the literature or scientific support into marketing claims, there are regulatory limitations in claiming immunity. It is recommended to use the consumer-friendly expression, for example, strengthening skin defenses. So now I introduce you a lineup that we have done on our vitamins hero, the vitamin C defenses, the vitamin B3 defense, vitamin E as well, and vitamin B5, and we associate them with a kind of superfruit. So for example, vitamin C, of course, associated with lemon for the defense to energize. We have ascorbic acid, pure vitamin C, or a stabilized form, Stacy 50. And then we have developed a formula that I cannot develop in details today, but we can see, you can see with Res Pharma to get, of course, all the formulation. We have a bone soothing bone C, for example, with the vitamin C. We have an energizing mist, and we are able to formulate pure vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Even we know it's not so easy to formulate ascorbic acid by itself due to its instability. But if you're a bit afraid of the instability of ascorbic acid and that you need to put water, then we advise you Stacy 50, which is the sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is a stable form. Associated to the formula, we have other ingredients that I cannot detail today, but in our formulation, you will have all the information. We have now the B3, so B3 niacinamide is really the fighter of the stress, and we associate it with ginseng. So a nice ingredient to reinforce and to boost our defenses. We have, for example, on the niacinamide PC, so the personal grade, special personal care grade. We have a micellar cleansing water that works fantastically. We have a Ultra Defense Daily Cream SPF 30, so it's good also to add niacinamide even in daily care or even in sun care. This is a good protector, and you can use a recovery tissue mask, or even a milk, even in the scalp. We spoke about skincare, but it's important to care also about the scalp with niacinamide. And then some other ingredient that were added in those formulas. And vitamin E really associated with avocado, in terms of the oil of avocado, thanks to tocopherols. We have this mixed tocopherol 95 grade, which is of natural origin, and we have as well DL-alpha tocopherol acetate, that is different. And we have as well developed a full set of formulation. We have a Timeless Beauty Day Cream SPF 25, so it's always recommended to have some SPF in a daily cream to help for the prevention, to prevent from premature aging. We have a night treatment, we have an advanced protection oil elixir, and even a men's soothing cream. So I don't enter in all details today, but just to say that our Quali-E, so our DL-alpha tocopherol acetate, has the lowest environmental footprint in the world. So compared to cold-based production, we have even a calculator online. So let's assume you buy 1 ton of vitamin E of DSM, you could save 320 tons of CO2, because 100 tons is maybe 100 tons maybe a lot. So you can save 3.2 tons of CO2. So sorry for the calculation. And then you will save 820 trees seedling growing during 10 years that will absorb this CO2. So it's a really interesting calculator. And by selecting ingredients from different origin, you can also make a choice and you have an impact on the environment. And it's interesting also to see how you can make a greater impact by selecting DSM vitamin E here. And we have as well another lineup, so vitamin B5 with panthenol to moisture and restore the skin. What is interesting is this on-the-go refreshing pen here, that you can have a really targeted, you can target an area of your skin with, especially with panthenol, but we have as well added pentavitine. We have a night fluid, a body lotion, a dry shampoo. It's nice to have panthenol shampoo, absolutely. A refreshing and calming aftershave, and a baby soothing relief. And then how to make a sunscreen more sustainable, then we need to know what will be the impact. And if you go to our website, you can have access to the DSM Sunscreen Optimizer with the extended version with the ECRO profiling. So you can go, or either you type DSM Sunscreen Optimizer, and you will be able to make your formula and select the different UV filters with the desired SPF. And don't forget to go to your settings and tick on the box eco profiling, and then you will get the score, this eco profiling. So that's quite interesting, that's quite new, and we invite to look at this. And if you want to know more information, we can always discuss with Res Pharma and with you to get the utmost of this new tool about the eco profiling. Now I go to the microbiome era. This is really an era because microbiome is the world of the bacteria on our skin. Usually we say there are bad bacteria, good bacteria, but at the end, this is the equilibrium, and we need to rebalance it to keep the right balance to have a beautiful skin. I propose you for that the microbiome care for oily skin. This is a toner that was developed to control the excess oil and leaving the skin fresh and revived with Alpha-Flor Alp Sebum CB. So we have an organic extract of Epilobium of Flechery, so under the Alpha-Flor philosophy, an organic extract, and it's an organic prebiotic bioactive. Those are the new tests we have made on this Alpha-Flor Alp Sebum. We have new claims, really new, just of this early year. released. We deliver sustainable visible mattifying skin with less oil and sebum. We have the new mapping about the oil, which is really great, really insightful. So we can at a glance see what happens after the treatment with Alpaflor. And we have as well made a new mapping on the microbiome. And on the microbiome, we have looked at the balancing activity, down-regulating troublesome bacteria like Staphylococcus capitis, and we stimulate beneficial skin bacteria like Staphylococcus epidermidis and Micrococcus yunanensis. We have seen as well, we have tested our product under microbiome-friendly referential, and our Alpaflor Alp Sebum is microbiome-friendly, and as well having a nice rebalancing activities. A really great new feature for this ingredient that fell totally into Conscious Beauty. I advise you to look at The Secret Life of Skin. This is a website powered by DSM about the microbiome. So you have skin doctors, you have scientists, you have bloggers, vloggers that tell you more about their what do they think about the microbiome, and also the last information and last research on the microbiome. Really a great source of information and inspiration. And if you want to know more, don't hesitate to contact Crest Pharma, and we can see together to go beyond this only few lines I propose you today. We have as well a nice product, which is a Mask Neck Care, is a rebalancing cream gel. There is no doubt that with the mask norm now, people sometimes can get more skin problem, in particular acne. So we have incorporated Alpaflor Alp Sebum CB. It will control the oil and normalize the sebum production and rebalance as well the facial microbiome. So then it's a great ingredient and a great formula that is made with 99% of naturally derived ingredient. To complete, we have added this Valvance Touch 210, which are microspheres of silica that reduce the appearance of imperfection, providing the skin complexion looking even and matte. And finally, to complete, let's have a look at the mindful beauty and the inner balance. In this context of anxiety, people are really looking for a product that can pamper themselves. We know that we see more and more people having trouble in sleeping, and we see that on the market, more and more ingredients, especially incorporating essential oil to help a consumer to feel better and unwind before going to sleep. We have for that a nice ingredient, Alpaflor Scutellaria CB. This is an alpine plant, so Scutellaria alpina, that was developed to fight against urban stress, to relieve the discomfort of sensitive and sensitized skin, in particular in pollution, in the context of the pollution. This ingredient will help the skin to keep healthy looking. It alleviates skin dull complexion and protect and calms irritated skin. We have developed a complete set of formula that we call Freshen. We have a calming mousse, we have a beauty essence, a dew mist, a mask, and a day cream with Alpaflor Scutellaria CB. But not only, we have put also other ingredients such as Alpaflor Edelweiss, for example, and this full protection illuminating day cream. You have as well UV filters because we need also to care about the UV exposure if we want to prevent from premature aging. Alpaflor Scutellaria, of course, has EcoCert Cosmos certification, Fair for Life, Natru, vegan, conformity. China as well is China compliant. is under the naturals of DSM. And then here is a bit the conclusion of conscious beauty. I really give you a dive of what means conscious beauty, what could be the solution, the areas of solution. It's a bit short, but I hope I give you some nice insight and more information also about our ingredients, or how to get or go to those ingredients. Yes, conscious beauty is about emerging generation, especially Gen Z, having a strong opinion, choosing on what they consume. The consumer are demanding full transparency from cradle to cradle. It's mainly about the origin of the product. And then you need to have a story. And us as DSM, as an ingredient provider, we can bring you those stories. We can not only stories, we can provide you this peace of mind and as well this transparency. Those consumers, they want simpler, known, multifunctional ingredient, multifunctional formulation. For example, vitamins are really the hero ingredients here, like retinol, hyaluronic acid as well. And it provides to the consumer a safety insurance, reinsurance, and also they will feel that they will have a less impactful choice when they buy an ingredient, they buy a formulation, they buy a product. So the hashtags are about conscious beauty, clean beauty, simpler choices, minimal essentials, and transparency. If you want to know more, you have here the DSM personal care ingredient. We have, as you've seen, we have active ingredient, we have technical and performance ingredient, we have UV filters, we have as well aroma ingredient. So you can just go to DSM/personal care. And of course, you can get information about application, benefits, concepts, and you can as well, and you have also to reach Nadia at Respharma to know more and also to consult Respharma website. We will be also very happy if you have any question to answer with Nadia in the following days. Thank you very much for your attention.